Alright guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So today I'm going to be making that Valentine's Day special, I promise you guys. And it's going to be a cheesecake. Alright. I'm going to walk you guys through how to make this beautiful cheesecake for that special someone. Alright, so over here I got the ingredients for the crust. So that's my breadcrumbs. And I'm using grahams, sugar, butter. And over here now I got the filling. So I got sour cream, cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla. Over here I got the garnishes and what I'm going to use for the sauce. So I got some raspberry, some mint, some strawberries. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start the crust. We're going to add our crumbs. Then add our sugar. Just fold this together real quick. Alright, we'll start by adding the liquid butter. Add half of it. Mix that really good. Alright, that's what you're looking for, guys. You know, when you fold this together, you get a nice crust. So when you go to bake, you make your crust and you put your filling on there. Alright, so now that's what you're looking for, guys. I mean, nice crust. You're gonna bake this 350 for 10 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, now for the filling, I'm gonna add this cream cheese. I'm just gonna mix this out. You gotta make sure all the ingredients is at room temperature. That's the cream cheese. I'm gonna add the sour cream. Just mix this all together. Incorporate these two really good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add some sugar. And vanilla. Let's just mix the scene really good. We're going to fold in our egg. And I always add this in batches. So I'll add Alright, then you add the rest. Alright, now we're gonna mix with our mixer on low. Alright, you're going to bring back your crust. Alright, and you're going to just pour your filling. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright. So while you do that, you're gonna have the oven at 325. We're gonna get a foil paper and wrap this, and we're gonna make a hot water bath so we can bake it in the hot water. Get a baking tin and some hot water. And you're doing this to keep the cake moist while it bakes. Alright, you're going to place this inside like so. And you're going to bake this at 325 for 1 hour. So we'll see you guys within an hour. Alright, so now that it's finished baking, you're going to let it cool, hit room temperature, and you're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours. I recommend overnight. Alright guys, so for the sauce, we're going to add some sugar to the hot pan. We're going to make a berry syrup. So straight sugar in the pan. Add some mint leaves and a tip of lemon juice. I want to make it go ahead and add some strawberries to that. Going to break them apart. Then you're going to add a case of raspberries. And you just mix these out. Alright, so now it's all liquefied. We're going to strain this and let it cool. And it's going to become a thick, nice syrup. Alright, you're going to start in the middle. Alright guys, so now let's just get our cheesecake on the plate. Alright, gonna use some whipped cream in the middle. Alright. You're gonna add a nice strawberry in the middle. We're just gonna finish that with some of our sauce, alright? Just gonna go all over it with the sauce. There you go, guys. Beautiful cheesecake for Valentine's Day.